Hello students, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to do the simulation of the slider crank mechanism. So this is the mechanism, this is the crank, this is connecting rod, this is the slider, okay, and this is the frame which is fixed. So let's make it that simulation in this Onshape software. So I will create document. So I will give the name slider crank mechanism. Say create. So here once we press OK, it will open the graphical user interface of the Onshape software. So in that we are going to prepare each and every link. So I will select sketch, select the front plane. So here we are going to draw the sketch, give the dimensions, say 20. From this the distance is 20. Let's say rectangle. So we are going to next say tangent, this edge should be tangent to this and this edge is tangent to this. Again symmetric, this and this symmetric about this. Give the dimension, it should be the 10 and this should be, sorry, this dimension should be say 30. Trim the unwanted edges, this is not required, this is not required. Done. Next sketch, here we are going to draw one rectangle. Now the length of the rectangle is suppose 400 and from this its distance is suppose 50. So it's say 40. Again we will draw another rectangle into it. Give the dimensions from this edge up to this, it is 5 mm. Let's make 5 mm. From this edge up to this is 5 mm, and from this is 5 mm. Next trim it. So let's draw the center line. Let's check whether it is at the center or not. From this its dimension is 15, here it is 13. Okay, so it is right. Done. Now let's extrude this, extrude this, extrude this also, symmetric, say 20 mm. Done. Now this is second, so I will make it rename frame, or this is a part of frame, rename frame hinge. Okay. So frame is fixed. Now next is create sketch. Now we have to prepare the connecting rod links. So line, so construction line, So from this up to this, can suppose this, and after that we can go up to, okay. So let's draw a circle here. Dimensions, so this is say 10, this is 20, 10, 20, suppose this is 90, line, from this line, again line, tangent, this edge is tangent to this circle, then this edge is tangent to this circle, this edge is tangent to this circle, this edge is tangent to this circle. Trim, so this is the one of the link, crank link, that we have generated. Okay, so it is, we will delete one of the constraint. Now it is done. Then let's draw from this to this, say 90 mm, so that, or we can say 100 mm. Okay, here circle, here this is another link, that is connecting rod link we are going to prepare. Dimensions, so 10, 20, this is 10 and this is 20, the distance between this, suppose 300, line, okay. Tangent, this edge is tangent to this edge is tangent to this circle, this edge is tangent to this circle, and this edge is tangent to this circle. Then trim it, trim the unwanted edges, so this is trim. Now done. So extrude this, let's make them extrude thickness 10 mm and make it symmetric. Done. Now this is the part, rename, let's make it crank, and this part rename connecting rod. Okay, now next is sketch. Here, so we have to draw the pins also. View normal to sketch plane, so circle, give the dimensions, say 10 mm, and done. Extrude 20 mm. Okay. Next is sketch. Here front we have to draw another pin circle. I will say this is, let's dimension is 10, and okay, extrude. So let's extrude it. Say it is 20. Done. Again sketch on this, view normal to sketch plane, circle concentric, and its dimension is, make it 15, or we can say 20. Done. Extrude. No, that is not the thing. So what we have to do, select this, make it extrude, make it 5. Add solid. Okay, so we will, what we do, we will delete this extrude, extrude, sketch, make it 5. Say solid, merge all. Okay, now this is merge, so I will rename it, say pin. Okay, so also I will change the assignment edit appearance. So I will say this is the appearance of the pin. Let me check the connecting rod. Edit appearance of the connecting rod is say yellow. Okay, then crank, edit appearance, say blue. Now let's make frame appearance as a red. Okay, so we can easily identify. Next is slider is remaining, so let's prepare the slider. So sketch here, view normal to sketch plane. So here we are going to make one rectangle. Suppose its dimension is 40, and this distance is 0, and from this to this distance is also 0. Done. Say extrude, select this, extrude is 20, say symmetric. Okay, now next is sketch on this, view normal to sketch plane, this circle. So we will draw the circle at the center, give the dimensions, dimensions, make it 10, 15, 20. Done. extrude. Make it suppose 40. Okay, so it is called as a slider. So I will rename slider. Okay, now next is, now we have to change its color, edit appearance. So I will make it like this. Okay, now this frame hinge also we have to give the color. So this frame and frame hinge are fixed, so I will give the color red so that you can easily identify this. Now next is in assembly you have to import each and every component. So insert, first is frame hinge, so I have imported it here. Next is frame, so let's import this frame here. Let's import the pin here. Let's import the crank here. Let's import the connecting rod here. Let's import this slider here. Okay, so done. Next is, so this is origin. So let me, this is the frame hinge, so I will fix it. So it is fixed. Now next, so planar mate. Okay, so this plane should be parallel to this plane. Okay, next is this plane should be parallel to this plane. Okay, next is, now we have to apply the, so revolute mate. So this is going to revolute about this. Okay, hmm. Hmm. Next is a revolute mate. This circle is going to revolute about the this. Then planar mate, this is match with this plane. Okay, again there is a revolute mate between this edge and this edge. Okay, so next is, now next is pin slot, pin slot mate. So this surface should be matched with this surface. Okay, and hmm, and what is remaining? Okay, it can rotate, so we have to make planar mate. This planar surface should be matched with this planar. Okay, so now it is going to move inside and slot. Now what is remaining? Revolute mate. So here this should be matched with this. Okay, now done. This revolute mate is also done. Close it. So okay, now this revolute, say animate it in a closed loop, so you can check it. Say front. So now you can see the animation of this slider crank mechanism. I will keep it here. This is the animation. If you want to reverse direction, you can apply the reverse direction. So this is the animation of the slider crank mechanism. Here frame is our fix. Okay, and this class that crank is rotated and connecting rod is converting rotary motion into the reciprocating motion. Thank you.